In this video, I'm going to share with you some resources where you can find scholarships for international students. Coming right up after this. What's happening, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Richard, and on this channel, provide you with tips, tricks, strategies to enhance your international student experience. I also sometimes share my experiences living in the US, so if this is content that you like, consider hitting the subscribe button so that you do not miss videos like these. Also, follow us on Twitter at @globe_engaged to stay up to date with sneak peek and previews of our upcoming videos. There are a lot of you out there who reach out to me and say, Richard, I would like to come study in the United States. And there's always one thing that I tell people. You have to research. But I have never really told people where to go to find scholarships, especially knowing that scholarships are very important as far as international student studies in the United States is concerned. I tell people that do not apply to a school or do not make your way to the US to study if you do not have any scholarships, because education in the United States is not cheap. However, not everybody knows where to go look to find scholarships for international students. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few resources out there where you can find scholarships specifically for international students. So if you're ready, let's jump right into the video. The first place to look, even before you look elsewhere, is within your chosen university. Most of the time, the university in general will have some scholarships, and departments within the universities will have specific scholarships as well. Many schools have scholarships specific to the school and the program you are interested in studying. It is best to research the schools which have the most scholarship opportunities that you will be eligible for prior to applying to the school. Once you have decided which school is best for you, speak to the financial aid office or the director or whoever is in charge of the program to see if they can give you a scholarship. There are some schools or programs that will offer you a scholarship upon admission. Some of these scholarships may not be much, but once you get into the school, you can always find yourself another scholarship. Now, scholarships could come in the form of graduate recruitment scholarships, aka GRS, or graduate assistantships, aka GA, or research assistantships, or RAs, or teaching assistantships. So please make sure that you are taking time to actually research schools that have scholarships that may fit you. That is why it is important to take applying to schools into your own hands so that you can find something that meets your needs. If the school is not offering you scholarships, it does not matter how easy it is to get into the school. Don't do it, because you will not be able to afford it out of pocket. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. The second resource I'm going to talk about is Education USA. American embassies have an educational component to it, and that is the Education USA. It is a valuable resource as far as applying to schools in the United States is concerned. They have both paid and free services. Of course, if you join and you're a member, you enjoy certain, premiums. But then you can also walk in there, use their computers, read their books, and do any research that you like. In fact, prior to the internet becoming popular, we used to go there and actually research schools from catalogs, because they had like tons of catalogs that would show you like the campuses, where the school is, and things like that. So that is another resource. But the reason I'm mentioning it is that they have a lot of resources on their website tailored towards international students. They also have a scholarship search engine which allows you to search based on your degree or your program of study, or even where you want to study. And in addition to that, many foreign government scholarships are available to international students who wish to study in the United States. These programs can vary based on country and the program you are trying to study. and the degree you are seeking. So there are a lot of information on the website, and I'm going to leave the links to the websites and the resources that I'm talking about in the video description below so that you can check it out at your own convenience time. But yes, Education USA is also a great resource where you can find international student scholarships or scholarships for international students wishing to study in the United States. Another resource I'm going to talk about is guaranteedscholarships.com. And as I said, I'm going to leave a link to these websites in the video description below. This website provides students with the ability to search for scholarships, grants, loans, financial aid that has various levels of restrictions. Now, most often than not, some scholarships will require you to write an essay, create a portfolio, conduct an interview, and all of that. But this website allows you to search scholarships that do not even require any of these things. One thing I'm going to say is that when you find a scholarship, make sure you verify that the company or the organization sponsoring that scholarship is legitimate and the scholarship is still active, because of course we all know that there are people out there who are also trying to scam people out of money based on the fact that they are also offering scholarships and things like that. So err on the side of caution and make sure you are verifying any information regarding scholarships. Personally, if it is too good to be true, something could be fishy about it. So please be careful. But having said all that, Guaranteed Scholarships is a resource worth checking out. Another resource you can check out is internationalscholarships.com. Now, internationalscholarships.com provides a comprehensive list of financial aid, college scholarships, grants, loans, and programs to students wishing to study in the United States. They have a quick search feature that allows you to search for scholarships based on the country you are coming from and also the country you want to study in. So do take some time to check out this resource as well. I'm sure there's going to be tons of scholarships that might meet your needs, and if not, you can also check out some of the other resources that I talked about. Of course, there are other resources like scholarship positions and co. There are so many scholarship resources, and I'm going to do my best to find some and link some in the video description. So do take some time to check out some of the scholarship resources that I have not talked about or the ones that I failed to mention. Also, if you know of some scholarship resources that I failed to mention, share with us in the comment section below so that other people may check it out as well. Like I keep saying, studying in the United States is expensive, but it necessarily does not have to be expensive, especially if you are putting in the time, the effort, and you are deliberately and actively looking for schools that will fit your program needs. Like I always say, do not rely on people to apply to schools for you, because what worked for Kofi may not work for you. So put in the time and effort, find a school, and then ask for help from friends or people you know who can help you. But take some time to actually focus on the scholarship aspect, because without scholarships, you definitely struggle, especially if you are paying out of pocket. There's no way working 20 hours a week on 8.5 or 8.50 minimum wage an hour is going to suffice. So please make sure that you focus most of your time on researching universities, researching the scholarships that they offer, and then you can proceed from there. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, share with me in the comment section below what you found useful about this video. If you have also found any scholarships through the resources that I mentioned, share with me in the comment section below what those useful things you found are. I'm sure other viewers of this channel would definitely like to learn something from you. And if you've not seen any of my previous videos, click on the card here or click on the link in the description to check out some of my other playlists. If you are watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime a new video goes live, you will be notified. Also follow us on Twitter at globe_engaged so that you stay up to date with previews and sneak peeks of our upcoming videos. Until I see you on the next video, stay safe out there. Peace. Welcome to the MTN call center. This call may be recorded for training purposes. For English, press 1. For Ghana, press 2. For Twi, press 3.